Well, that's no problem. I can call me some Sunday morning and I can sit down with my two bills and tell you how to do it.
Cloud?
You have done watered me to death.
Cloud. He woke. Oh. He woke.
Yeah.
Just she walks up to Misty,
Yeah.
starts to rub up against Misty backside and he looks at Misty like a crazy Carwin.
Oh crap. Oh crap. I'm back.
Yeah.
You gotta be good to the kitty.
Why?
Tell me why? Because it's a baby.
Oh crap. Oh crap. Oh crap. Oh jeez, this video's going to be messed up.
So you can get to that place and get started.
Hey Hero. Hero.
Yeah.
What is your problem?
She don't like the cat.
Well,
Cloud.
that's tough shit.
But,
Hey, get your face off the camera.
I think that's enough.
Yeah.